Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if you are looking for a technical support or IT support job in Bangalore, so today opportunity for you. So, Market One international company ಇಂದ hiring ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ for the position technical support engineer ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ hiring ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋದು. And in this video, so I will be explaining about the company and eligibility and the required skill and the roles and responsibility and also the work location timing shift and finally how you can apply for this job. So ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಫುಲ್ ಮುಗಿಯೋವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿ. ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ that helps business identify new customers and build sales pipelines and also generate more business opportunity. And coming about the company, it provides the services like contact database development and event requirement and automated marketing and primary market research. uh, ಸೊ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ದಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ 8 out of the world top 10 technologies companies, so making it as a trusted partner for some of the biggest tech organization globally. So company has a delivery centers across Europe and Asia, specific and America, serving a customer around the world. So another impressive point ಏನಂದ್ರೆ market connects has achieved 15 consecutive years of growth and profitability, showing that it is a stable and well established organization. So overall about the company, if you are looking for an opportunity to start grow your career in a global company, so Market One International is the definitely one of the worth considering the company. So let's see about the role. So as I told you, the role will be the technical support engineer, and also the it is the full-time entry level position based in the Bangalore. So as a technical engineer, so your main primary responsibility is to help the internal external customer by resolving the technical issues and timely support. So ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಸಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಶೋರ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯಲಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹತ್ರದಿಂದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಟು ಆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, they were asked the company is looking for the candidate bachelor degree and and also the job description mentioned 2 to 5 years of in the technical support, customer support or IT support. However, since it is the listed and as an entry level, so entry level anta mention ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಲೆ. So candidates with strong technical skills and internship relevant project ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಜಾಬ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫ್ರೆಶರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ passion for helping people with the technology and also excellent verbal and English communication, strong problem solving and troubleshooting skills, and good document skills and create knowledge base articles, and also the curiosity to learn how system work and proactive attitude. And also they were asked for the few certification which makes this added an advantage for this job, network plus or MCSA, MCITP or MCDST. So these certifications are preferred but not mandatory. So ಅವ್ರು ಈ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And also candidate should have the hands-on knowledge in the Windows 10, Windows 11, Microsoft 355 or Office 365, cloud application or SaaS platform. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಸಹ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಓನ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಜೀರಾ IT ticket tools and drive them through the resolution. So you will be own the customer issues and reported through the Jira IT ticketing tool and take the responsibility until the issue is completely resolved. And also the second point will be regarding you will research and diagnose and troubleshoot and identify the best solution for the technical issues. so reported by the customer. And also third point, so you are unable to resolve an issue, so what you will do, so you will escalate it to the appropriate internal team by following the company escalation procedures. And also the fourth point, you can see here, you will provide timely and professional accurate updates to the customer and the stakeholders throughout the uh, support process. And also you will fifth point, so you will be preparing operational and support reports whenever required by the organization. And sixth point will be, you will create a knowledge base articles and technical documentation so that similar issues can be solved faster in the future. And seventh point will be like you will ensure that all the incidents are resolved within the agreed service level agreement SLA. So based on their priority and their severity. And eighth point, so you will maintain the company global IT asset inventory, including tracking the laptops and desktops, and also other IT equipment. So this will be the this global asset inventory will explain. And the ninth point will be, so you will perform Windows installation and system maintenance, software updates, and antivirus installation and endpoint protection updates. And also the 10th point will be explaining like you will participate in the global CTI projects and complete assigned technical tasks. And 11th point, so you will ensure the compliance with the company policies and department procedures and security guidelines. And the 12th point will be like you will work closely with the engineering team and report any network issues or unusual activity when observed. And the 13th point, so you can see here, you will report the ISO related incident. So ISO manager whenever it is required. Here you can see. And also the 14th point, so you will monitoring system using the tools such as a PRDG, site 24 into 7 and so forth. And also finally, so you will maintain positive relationship with the customers and the teammate by providing the professional and customer focused technical support. So also they have given the work location. So work location will be the Bangalore, and this job is hybrid or in office. So both will be like as per their company policy, it will decide. And also the work shift hour will be 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. So afternoon shift ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ 9 p.m. ಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಂಡೇ ಟು ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇಸ್ ಸಂಡೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಈ ರೋಲ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, IT ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. So if you are did any internship experience or project experience or previous any technical support experience, so this role could be a good fit for you. And also you can see that application beside this job description only. So simple application to apply this position. First, they have asked your name, email address, phone address, and resume. So you have to upload your resume here and your current CTC. So if you are experienced, mention your current CTC. If you are not experienced, so just mention NA or expect a CTC, what you are expecting the CTC and the current location. And if you are serving the notice period, mention the notice period and submit your application so that you will receive the email from this Market One International company. So overall, this is an great opportunity for the candidates who are to build their career in the technical support and IT infrastructure. So and also these skills will and whichever the skill I mentioned, that skills are the help you to move into the role like system administration, infrastructure management, and cloud support engineer also. So I have provided the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ if you are planning to apply, comment applied below. So I will be very happy if you applied to this job role. And also subscribe to my channel if you are watching my channel first time, or also share with your friends. So I will update daily job updates for the freshers and both experienced candidates. So thank you for watching. So I will see you in the next video. I will be very all the best for your job research.